Good morning, dear students. This is the correction of the homework. The homework was on the equation of straight line. Paper book, page 66, exercise 4. The question says, find the equation of straight line perpendicular to line segment AB from its midpoint C, where A 1 and 3, B 3 and 5. Most of the students will get the slope of the straight line, but first I'm gonna get the midpoint of line segment AB. The midpoint of line segment AB, I have to remember the rule of the midpoint, which is 1 plus 3 over 2 and 3 over 5 plus over 2, and the midpoint is 2 and 4. This is the point C. Now I'm going to get the slope of AB. The slope of AB is 5 minus 3 over 3 minus 1. The answer is 1. The slope of the straight line perpendicular to AB, because the question says find the equation of straight line perpendicular to line segment AB, not parallel to straight line AB. So when I want to get the slope of the straight line perpendicular to AB, and this is the slope that I'm going to use it to find the equation, the first slope is 1, so the second slope will be negative 1. Now I'm going to write the equation of straight line using this slope, because the question asks me to find the equation of straight line perpendicular to AB, not parallel to AB. So I'm going to write the equation, which is y equals mx plus c. The equation is y equals negative 1x plus c. Now the second or the fourth step, I'm going to find the y-intercept. So I'm going to replace x and y by the midpoint, because the straight line passes through the midpoint C. So to find the y-intercept, I'm going to replace x and y by 2 and 4. So 4 equals negative 1 times 2 plus c, which is 4 equals negative 2 plus c. I'm going to move negative 2 to the next side. So 4 plus 2 equals c. So c equals 6. Now I'm going to write the equation of the straight line, which is y equals negative 1x plus 6. Okay. The second question is people book page 66, exercise 5. The question says, find the equation of straight line passing through the point 3 and negative 5 and parallel to the straight line x plus 2y minus 7 equals 0. The first step, I'm going to find the slope of this straight line. So I'm going to arrange the equation, moving x to the other side, moving negative 7 to the other side, and divide by 2, and the equation will be y equals negative half x plus 7. So the slope is negative half x. Some students will find the slope of this equation by making negative coefficient of x over the coefficient of y is the same. The second step, I'm going to write the equation of the straight line, which is y equals mx plus c. So y equals negative half x plus c. To find c, I'm going to replace x and y by the point 3 and negative 5. It's a simple question. So negative 5 equals negative half times 3 plus c, which is negative 5 equals negative 3 over 2 plus c. So c equals negative 7 over 2, and the equation of a straight line will be y equals negative half x plus negative 7 over 2, or minus 7 over 2. Third question, it's people book page 66, exercise 6. Find the equation of straight line passing through the 2 points 4 and 2, negative 2 and negative 1, then prove that it passes through the origin point. The first part is a simple question. I'm going to find the slope using the rule of the slope. The slope is half. Write the equation, y equals mx plus c. So y equals half x plus c. Replace x and y by one of the 2 points to find the y-intercept. So 2 equals 0.5 times 4 plus c. 0.5, it's half, huh? 0.5 is the same, half. I wrote it here 0.5, it's the same. So 2 equals 2 plus c, because 0.5 times 4, it's 2. So 2 minus 2 equals c, then c equals 0. Now the equation of a straight line is y equals half x plus 0 doesn't mean plus 0, because half x plus 0, it's half x. No meaning for plus 0 here. So the second part is how to prove that it passed through the origin point. I have uh, many ways to prove that the origin point lies on, I'm sorry, uh, to prove that the origin point lies on the straight line whose equation is y equals half x. So, the first way I can prove that 4 and 2, negative 2 and negative 1, and the origin point are collinear point using the slopes. This is the first way. Another way, I can draw on a graph paper the 3 points and 2 3 points, 4 and 2, negative 2, negative 1, and the origin point, and check if they are on the same straight line or not. So if they are on the same straight line, which means that the line passing through these 2 points, it also passes through the origin point. The third way to prove that straight line passes through the origin point, I'm going to place x and y in the equation by the origin point. If it satisfies the equation, which means that the origin point lies on the straight line. So I'm going to put in y 0 and the x 0. So half times 0, it's 0. So the left hand side equals the right hand side, which means that the straight line passed through the origin point. I found that the left hand side equals the right hand side. Okay, the fourth question is exercise 7, page 66 in the pupil book. Find the equation of a straight line which intersects the x and the y axes, two positive parts, both lengths are 4 and 9. So the first step, I'm going to find the slope. I have 2 points here because this is the x-intercept and this is the y-intercept. For the x-intercept is 4, so the point is 4 and 0. And the y-intercept is 9, so this point is 0 and 9. So first, find the slope, negative 9 over 4. Write the equation, y equals negative 9 over 4x plus c. The c, it's the y-intercept. I have the y-intercept, which is 9. So y equals, to write the equation, y equals negative 9 over 4x plus 9. So this is question number 7. I have finished now. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.